Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Dear student, today is our lecture number 8 of annual term. And my dear student, today's SW number will be 8 also. Our SW number will be 8 also. And today's topic name exercise 5.2. From exercise 5.2 we shall solve question number 15 in our class. From question number 15 we shall solve CESI as your CW and DFG will be your SW. So let us start our class. Dear student, I have already written the questions on the board. We need to simplify this expression. 15 number CESI will be our today's CW. Okay, let us start. At first we shall solve question number C of tip 15. So it is 1 minus C by A plus B into A by A plus B plus C minus A by A plus B minus C. So my dear student, first of all, we do the work in the first bracket. That means here this one and this one. It is the LCM. LCM of these two fractions, that means this number has a denominator which is on, and LCM of on and A plus B is A plus B. So we divide A plus B by 1 and we get A plus B. That A plus B is multiplied with 1 and we get A plus B. We divide this A plus B by AB plus B, we get 1. That one is multiplied with C. So it will be minus C. So this multiplication sign is here. After that, A plus B plus C and A plus B minus C, my dear student, both denominators LCM is A plus B plus C into A plus B minus C. Okay. Now we divide this LCM by denominator of the first fraction and we get A plus B minus C. Write it. A into A plus B minus C. On the other hand, A into, we divide this LCM by denominator of the second fraction and we get A plus B plus C, which is multiplied with the numerator. Now we write A plus B minus C divided by A plus B, and we multiply this number by A and it will be A square plus AB minus AC. On the other hand, A square plus AB plus C square by A plus B plus C into A plus B minus C. So A plus B minus C divided by A plus B. Okay, multiply sign is here. After that, A square plus AB minus AC minus A square minus AB minus, if we multiply A with C, then not C square, it will be AC, then minus AC. And here we write A plus B plus C and A plus B minus C. Now A plus B minus C by A plus B, and here we write, notice A square and cut, minus AB plus AB are cut, and here minus 2AC, and here A plus B plus C and here A plus B minus C. My dear student, now we got this number and this number, and here left minus 2AC divided by A plus B into A plus B plus C. So this is the answer of this question. Next we shall solve question number E. My dear students, similar as question number C, and the question is x by twice x minus y plus x by twice x plus y, 4 plus 3y square by x square minus y square. Here both number are the LCM, twice x minus y into twice x plus y. So here you notice, you divide this LCM by denominator of the first fraction and we get x into twice x plus y. This plus sign is here, after that x is written here. Now this LCM is divided by the denominator of the second fraction and we get 2x minus y, and that is multiplied with this numerator. Now we do multiplication and here multiply sign, and in this case x square minus y square is the LCM and we multiply this number by 4 into x square minus y square. Why? Because number is 1 and if we divide this x square minus y square by 1 we get x square minus y square, that is multiplied with 4 and we get 4 into x square minus y square, and this 3y square is written here because we know that we divide this LCM by denominator of the second fraction and we get 1. That one is multiplied with 3y square and we get 3y square. Okay. Now we do multiplication, that means 2 2s are 4, 4 x square plus xy. On the other hand here it's not 2 and x and 2x, that means 2x square. X plus y, x is multiplied with y, that means xy. And here x is multiplied with 2x and it will be 2x square minus xy. And here write 2x minus y and 2x plus y. And here 4x square minus 4y square plus 3y square. We multiply x square minus y square by 4 and we get 4x square minus 4y square. Here we write x square minus y square. Now dear student, we cut xy and xy are cut, and here left 2 common, left x square, that means 4x square, and here 2x minus y and here 2x plus y into 4x square minus y square by x square minus y square. Dear student, 4x square and twice x minus y into twice x plus y multiply by, and this is written as 2x whole square minus y whole square by, here written x square minus y square. So 4x square twice x minus y and here twice x plus y into, this can be written as twice x plus y twice x minus y divided by x square minus y square. This one and this one are cut, and here left 4x square by x square minus y square, and it is the answer of question number E. Okay, my dear student, done. Next we shall solve question number H. H is a square plus b square by twice ab minus 1 divided by a cube minus b cube by a minus b minus 3ab. So my dear student, 2ab is the LCM. If we divide 2ab by 2ab, then we get 1. 1 is multiplied with this one and we get a square plus b square. Okay. This minus sign is here. We divide this 2ab by 1 and we get 2ab. 2ab multiplied with 1 and it will be minus 2ab divided by, here a minus b is the LCM. We divide a minus b by a minus b, we get 1. That one is multiplied with this number and it will be a cube minus b cube. minus 3ab into we get a minus b, because denominator is 1. If we divide a minus b by 1, we get a minus b. That a minus b is multiplied with this number. Okay, and it is the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write from this a minus b whole square by 2ab. Okay, divided by, it can be written as a minus b, and it can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. If we multiply, then plus 3a square b. So we can retain from this a minus b whole cube. Okay, now division. We know that division of first fraction by the second fraction means multiplication of the first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. That means a minus b whole square by 2ab multiply by a minus b into a minus b whole cube. Notice a minus b square, a minus b. That means if we multiply numerator and numerator, then we get a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube and 2ab into a minus b whole cube. We cut this a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, and we get 1 by 2ab, and it is the answer of these questions. Our last question, question number I. I number question is x plus y whole square minus 4xy a plus b whole square minus 4ab divided by x cube minus y cube by 3xy into x minus y, and here a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Dear students, so easy math. A plus b whole square minus 4ab. So that means x plus y whole square minus 4ab. It is the formula of a minus b whole square. Notice we know a minus b whole square means a plus b whole square minus 4ab. On the other hand, a plus b whole square means a minus b whole square plus 4ab, just like this one. Notice x plus y whole square minus 4ab, that is this formula. From this we can write a minus b whole square. So here a means x and b means y. So we can write from this x minus y whole square. On the other hand, a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So we can write a minus b whole square. Okay. Then division sign, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. That means we can write from this as formula x minus y whole cube, similar as a minus b whole cube. Now x minus y whole square a minus b whole square multiply by a minus b whole square by x minus y, sorry, this not whole square, it will be whole cube. So now we cut, if we cut a minus b whole cube by a minus b square, we get a minus b. If we cut x minus whole square by x minus y whole cube, we get x minus y. So this is the answer. Okay, a minus b divided by x minus y, it is the answer of this question. And my dear student, DFG will be your SW from the same question number, which is 15. You must do your assigned SW in SW copy, submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.